Hello, and thank you for using VESHTER WebStudio. In this video, we were going to review the Page Manager. First, select Pages from the Core Tools menu on the top left of the page. Clicking this will bring us to the Page Manager. This is simply a list of all the pages on your site. You have a few columns here. The title column will show the title of the page. The title of the page will appear at the top of your visitor's browser. Each page has their own title and should be short and descriptive. The web path is the path of the web page where people can visit online. This will include the folder and the file name. On the right, you will see the edit and delete features. We'll go over this later in the video. First, to create a new page, go to the Create button at the top left of the manager. Once you click that, you'll be brought to the Page Manager page creation page. There are several options under a series of tabs. We'll go over these tabs in a moment. Most of the features that you'll need are under the Content tab. First, you will see Folder. The folder should be any name for folders that you wish, separated by a /. The file name, which we are going to enter as test_file.html for this particular file, should have a file name and file extension. Then there's the title. Test file is what we are going to name this one. And then the body of the page. Mary went to the store. That's going to be the content of this page. At the bottom, you will see some options. Basically, this is asking you if you want to copy an existing page, but that's not what we're going to do now, so just click OK. Now, you will see our new file here. You will see where it says test file, and it has the name. Now, let's say we want to edit a page. You simply go to Edit. Once you click that, you will see that we have returned to the page creation page with our information already filled in. You can come down here and manipulate any of the data that you may wish. You could say, Mary took her car to the store. Now, let's go over some of the other tabs that we have here. Secondary content. These are additional body parts that may or may not be utilized by your theme. You can use these if your theme is using these parts. If you don't have a theme that's using these parts, any content you write into them will not be displayed on the actual web page. These are further body parts. Now you'll notice these body parts don't have the same sort of style or look to them. These are plain text. We don't generally use these, but this is where they are if you do need them. Our fourth tab is the Layout tab. Here you will see a list of our themes that are designed for your page. You can select which theme you think is appropriate for this page and then use it here, or you can select to just continue using the default. Then you have the priority option. Not most sites use the priority, but if your theme or your site does, the priority will order your page according to what you enter in that field. Now you can give a description or keywords under the fifth tab, and then finally there's the Security tab. Security tab allows you to choose which workgroup that this page is under. Page, members, backup operator, these kinds of things. You can create and edit your own workgroups. We'll show you that in another video. And click OK. And now your edit has been saved. Now, let's say we want to delete that file. You could click here and select additional files if you wish to delete them, and go down here to delete. Or, since we're only deleting one file, it may be easier to just click delete over here on the right. You'll be prompted, click OK, and your file will be deleted. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to create, edit, and modify your pages, as well as delete pages. If you need more information on workgroups, on attaching files to or inserting files to a page, or how to use our rich text editor, we have other tutorials that you can watch on those topics specifically. We also have a detailed help article on many of those topics in our online knowledge base at veshter.com/support.